Coffee. Okay, just passed caisson inspection, in which the county came out and took a look at whether or not I dug holes deep enough. Anyway, that's done. We passed. We're good to go. Next thing today, what I want to talk about is the actual mount structure. So first thing we're going to talk about is pipe. The type of pipe we're going to use, how much to buy, and how to manage your cuts. Otherwise, you're going to have a ton of scrap laying on the ground. Once we get that figured out, we'll go over the parts that kind of connect everything together. Then I think I'm going to call it at that. It's just going to be pipes and parts. And then on the next video, I'll actually be putting the structure together and putting some concrete in. So let's get going on the pipes and parts. Okay, pipe, 1.5 inches, Schedule 40 galvanized. Where do you get it? You can go to Home Depot or Lowe's or a big box store or a plumbing supply place, and you're going to be paying from $6 to $7 a foot. Okay, what I did is I found a pipe company. I ordered the pipe through them, and it cost me $4.07 a foot, plus tax and everything. Anyway, how much pipe do you need? According to this diagram, you need 399 feet, okay? If you run out and buy 399 feet, you're gonna be short. So the first thing you have to do is you have to develop yourself a cut sheet, okay? This is Excel, so it does the math quickly for me. And this is my version of a cut sheet. Up here, I've identified the pipe, and I converted everything to inches. Then I put in my horizontal pieces, my post, front and rear, and my braces, A, E, and F. I've got them all in here along with their lengths and their quantities. And again, that comes right off this sheet right here. Next step, I came in and I started with the longest, and I started putting in each pipe. So I wound up ordering 21 pipes, okay? So that's 400 and, I don't know, like 440 feet of pipe. The math is probably wrong on that, which is why I use Excel. Anyway, I ordered more than the 399, which is the moral of the story here. Anyway, I went down, I identified each of the pipes, I put their length on it. I then started subtracting numbers for pieces cut on it, and I had to go back and forth over this a few times because, you know, I'm not a rocket scientist like my brother-in-law. Anyway, these are what's left over, okay? And of all of these, there is one usable piece left. So I get to make one mistake of 90 inches or less. Otherwise, I'm going to be welding pipe. Anyway, that's it. That's my cut sheet. That's how I do it. I'll take you outside and show you my little cut station. And I think that'll be it for this video, because the next video we're actually going to be playing a rector set and putting all this stuff together, putting it in the ground, and pouring concrete. Okay, these here are your parts. This part here, this here is 1.5 inch Schedule 40 galvanized pipe. Now this is just the end that I cut off because I didn't want to have to bring in a whole section of pipe in here because, you know, it's heavy. You're going to need to order threaded, and the thing is only 4 of them need to be threaded, but just order threaded, because as soon as you order 4 threaded, you're going to screw up one of the threaded ones and you're going to be screwed. So anyway, that's the pipe. The next part is this here is an adjustable T. Forms a T and it's adjustable. Pretty simple. The primary function of this part is tying braces to post. So you'll have a post, it'll go like this. You'll have a post going vertical, and then you'll have a brace going off at an angle. So that's the adjustable T. A T, basic, okay? This here goes between your post and your horizontal pipe. And that's it. I mean, not much else to say about that. This here is a double adjustable T. I guess it's a T because, you know, you got a pipe going this way, and then these two for braces. Its primary function is you're going to run your post, you're going to run this at the base of a post, and then these here are going to go up like this and tie into braces. So that's that guy. End cap. Not very fancy, but it plays a very important part. Obviously, at the end of the horizontal pipes, you're going to put these end caps in. Also, on your post, put these on the tops of your post to keep rainwater from going down in and collecting inside. And that's it. I think it uses a 4mm Allen wrench. So not much else to talk about. These are the basic parts for the snap and rack structure. Okay, let's go outside and take a look at what I set up for my cutting station. So there's my truck. I went into town and used a trailer there to go get it myself. That saved me $500 because that's what they wanted to bring it out here. So when I say, you know, it costs extra when you live in the middle of nowhere, it was $500 delivery fee. And here's the pipe. I got it all laid out here. I just put some old peelers down just to get it out of the dirt. I've got my cutoff saw over there with an abrasive wheel in it, and I'll just roll them out, cut them up, and then haul them over there and install them.